Hello, future archives. So, let's answer a question. This is under Leia. Okay. Ang sabi sa question, a form of human association for a goal and objectives. Also, a coordinated social entity to achieve a common or set of goals. Okay? Ano ba yung hinihingi sa tanong? Iintindihin muna natin yung tanong. Sabi daw, ibig lang naman sabihin yan, ito daw, meron daw mga tao. Okay? Sama-sama yung mga tao. Okay? May association na nabubuo yung mga tao. At itong mga tao na to, meron silang iisang goal at objectives. Okay? Meron silang set of goals. Iisa or common ang set of goals nila. Again, ang hinihingi sa tanong, ito daw, yung grupo ng tao na may iisang layunin. Okay? Tignan natin yung mga choices. A. Police organization, B. Organization, C. Organizational chart, and D. Organizational structure. So, ang tanong natin is very generic. General siya, walang sinabi kung anong uri ng association yan. Kaya hindi ka sasagot ng police organization. Kailan ka ba sasagot ng police organization? Sasagot ka lang ng police organization if ever ang tanong is human association or group of people na may common goals or objectives that promotes maintenance of peace and order, protection of life and property, and enforcement of laws and prevention of crime. Kung yun yung mga common goals and objectives nung form of human association na to, dun ka sasagot ng police organization. Okay? Kapag ka naman, organization, ayan, organization, that is the answer. Basically, the meaning of organization is, grupo ng mga tao na may iisang layunin. Okay? Generic. Basta pag sinabing kahit anong ano pa yan, human association, kahit ano, basta may iisa silang goals at objectives, tatawagin niyang organization. Okay? Ano naman yung organizational chart? Ang organizational chart, ito yung mismong graphic view. Basta may makita kayong sa tanong na graphic view to, ito yung presentation. Kumbaga, nire-represent niya yung original structure nung organization. Okay? Di ba meron tayong makikita niyan sa mga organization, meron silang board of members, mo tinatawag sa iba. Makikita mo doon yung pinakamataas, nasa box siya. For example, ito yung picture niya, nasa box, pinakamataas. Sumunod sa kanya, vice president, sabihin na natin, yung sumunod sa kanya. And yung pinaka nasa ilalim, yung mga members. Pag graphic view, nakikita mo siya. Okay? Organizational chart. Yun yung presentation nung original structure nung organization. Ano naman yung organizational structure mismo? Okay? Ang organizational structure, ito na yung pag binigyan mo na ng definition. Okay? Binigyan mo na ng definition yung relationship of members. Okay, di ba pinakita mo, itong pinakaunang box. Ayan yung pinakamataas. Pag yan dinefine mo na as president or CEO, ayan na yung pinakamataas. Doon na mapapakita kung ano ba yung relationship niya among other members. Yun yung organizational structure. Okay, again, police organization, sasagot ka lang yan kapag ka ang tanong, ang goal and objectives ng mga nasama-samang tao na to is about sa crime prevention, maintenance of peace and order, enforcement of laws, dun ka lang sasagot ng police organization. Pero pagka ganyang tanong, generic yan, organization lang ang isasagot. Organizational chart, graphic view of organization's structure. And organizational structure, pag nilagyan mo na ng definition na nagpapakita ng relationship ng mga miyembro sa organization. So, sana natuto kayo. Kung gusto niyo pa ng mga free lectures, you can follow me on my TikTok account and also on my Facebook and YouTube account, Mrs. Stavely Arkim. Good luck, future Arkims!